my sleep has improved. My migraines is gone. Kind of brought my focus back to my 20s. So one of the other things that has really helped me is my level of focus. Like I feel like, sure, in my 50s, I was at a level where most 50s were not even at the point, like some of my friends, for example, I always felt like I had a higher level of focus already. But I do think that ever since BHRT, it kind of brought my focus back to my 20s, where I can sit and just highly energized till late in a long period of time. And even my husband, Dr. Phil, will be like, wow, you're like a beast now. Because it definitely allowed me that level of tension focus like I hadn't been for some time. I didn't think I had a problem, but once I got this, it really reminded me again of the level of libido that can be increased with this very gentle, mild BHRT. It certainly has helped, and he's very happy about it. And I guess if he's happy, I'm happy, right?
Yes.
You know how I've been for a long time trying to push off having something that is not my own natural body chemistry. But at 56, the last year or so is when I started experiencing really difficulties in terms of me getting more migraines than I'm used to, plus more night wakings, getting up at night and needing to settle back down again to sleep had been tough. So when you did my blood test and I saw my hormone was kind of out of whack, that then made me understand that this is something that's inevitable and beyond my control. So I prescribed to getting BHRT and getting on the program. And it's only been about a quarter, right? But my sleep has improved tremendously. I don't have night wakings anymore. And then my migraines is gone.
Yeah.
So, and then I certainly feel a lot more energy. Probably being able to sleep probably affected a lot of my energy that I didn't realize. So overall, it's been a complete improved overall well-being for me. I'm really happy that I kind of just let it happen. And it's still natural. It's still yam-based. It's not chemically controlled. So I'm happy to know that. And the procedure, I was fearing that, oh my gosh, it's going to be painful. No, it wasn't. And it didn't cause me scarring, which I was glad.
Yeah.
It did not cause me the scarring either. So all the preconceived notion that I had going in are completely not there.
Yeah.
So reading things, hearing people that are talking about what they were talking about was more like HRT. What we have is BHRT. Now I realize the difference. And the effect has been amazing, while the experience in the procedure itself has not been the fearful or scary experience that I had read about.